I got these roller carts for underneath the bed. You can see through them, which is very cool. They're very easy to install. They come in a pair of two. And over here you have this so you can tag and or label them. So that way you kind of know what is in there. A lot of people utilize them for shoes. I do everything. I could put clothes that I don't have space for, or random stuff that I don't have a place for, but I don't want to have it on site. So that way I put it here and then I put it underneath the bed and then take it back. At least it's not all messy underneath the bed because you can take this and organize it with more time. Like the majority of these items, they have these little things on the wheels so you can put a stuff, and then it's very easy to move around. So that way it's very convenient to just have something with wheels. That way you can pull it out in and out your bed or any other place that you have these for storage. So very happy with this product.